What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. So if this is your first time visiting the channel, please check out the content, and if it's something that you like, you find beneficial, please consider subscribing. It would help out the channel. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. It is very much appreciated. So for today, what I wanted to show everyone was how to put your Road Glide and your Lowrider S into a transport mode. It's very easy to do. They're very similar, but just a small minor tweak between the two to get them into that. So what I'll do is show you how to do it, show you how to take them off on the Road Glide and the Lowrider S, and I believe all your touring frame type Harleys and all of your Lowrider S's, or I'm sorry, all your Softails are roughly exactly the same, how to put them in there. So with riding season coming up, people don't want to get to destinations that they could have a dead battery. So anyway, let's go ahead and I'll get the camera set up and we'll go ahead and start. All right, so what you do, turn that on. That red light's going to come on. You turn it back off before that light goes out. You mash both of them, and it shows up right there that your transport mode is active. To turn it off, all you do is switch your bike back on and off, and it is cleared. So let's move over to the Lowrider S. For this one, you can see you've got the little red blinking light right there, and this one doesn't have a switch on and off, so really this is where your power on and off. So you do the same thing. It comes on, your light comes on, you switch it back off, mash those. If you can see, your transport mode is active. To take it back out of transport mode, you just simply switch the bike back on and flip it off, and it's automatically off. So I hope that helps everyone to be able to put their motorcycles in transport mode. The last thing we want to do as motorcycle riders is get to some place that we've had to tow or haul our bike, and it'd be dead when you get there and you have to figure out how to jump it off and do all that. We really want to just unstrap the bike and get on and ride. So anyway, so if this is your first time to the channel, again, please consider subscribing if you find the content helpful. If you're a returning viewer, again, thank you very much. It is very much appreciated. Hope everyone has a blessed day. Talk to you next time.